Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel GK Kingdom. Question number 1. What is the line demarcating between India and China? The options are McMahon Line, Redcliffe Line, the Purvachal, none of these. The right answer is McMahon Line. Question number 2. What is the line demarcating between India and Pakistan? The options are McMahon Line, Redcliffe Line, the Purvachal, none of these. The right answer is Redcliffe Line. Question number 3. Who was the father of Indian civil service? The options are Anna Razam Malhotra, Charles Cornwallis, Satyendranath Tagore, none of these. The right answer is Charles Cornwallis. Question number 4. Who was the first IAS officer in India? The options are Satyendranath Tagore, Ansar Sheikh, Vinod Rai, Ashok Khemka. The right answer is Satyendranath Tagore. Question number 5. Which was the first Hindi newspaper in India? The options are Urtan Martand, Amar Ujala, Dainik Navajiti, Navabharat. The right answer is Urtan Martand. Question number 6. Which was the first English newspaper in India? The options are The Times of India, the Calcutta Gazette, the Tribune, Bengal Gazette. The right answer is Bengal Gazette. Question number 7. Who got the first Paramveer Chakra award in India? The options are Major Dhan Singh Thapa, Major Somnath Thapa, Major Yogendra Singh Yadav, none of these. The right answer is Major Somnath Sharma. Question number 8. Who was the first Indian woman to receive Bharat Ratna? The options are Indira Gandhi, Mother Teresa, Lata Mangeshkar, Aruna Ashraf Ali. The right answer is Indira Gandhi. Question number 9. Which was the second highest civilian award in India? The options are Paramveer Chakra, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhishan, Padma Shri. The right answer is Padma Vibhishan. Question number 10. When was the first metro train started in India? The options are 1884, 1984, 1784, 1684. The right answer is 1984. Question number 11. Which is oldest metro in India? The options are Kolkata Metro, Mumbai Metro, Kochi Metro, Lucknow Metro. The right answer is Kolkata Metro. Question number 12. From which place in India Quit India movement started? The options are Delhi, Pune, Mumbai, Assam. The right answer is Mumbai. Question number 13. Who was the first British Governor General in India? The options are John Shaw, Charles Cornwallis, John Macpherson, Warren Hastings. The right answer is Warren Hastings. Question number 14. Where did the British landed first factory in India? The options are Machilipatnam, Madras, Surat, Hooghly. The right answer is Surat. Question number 15. What is the name of the first Indian movie? The options are Raja Harishchandra, Mughal-e-Azam, Barsat Ki Raat, Kohinoor. The right answer is Raja Harishchandra. Question number 16. Who started movies in India? The options are Hiralal Sen, Adesi Irani, Mehboob Khan, Dada Saheb Phalke. The right answer is Dada Saheb Phalke. Question number 17. Who was the first movie actor in India? The options are Dilip Kumar, D.D. Dabke, Raj Kapoor, Dev Anand. The right answer is D.D. Dabke. Question number 18. In which river diamond can be found in India? The options are Krishna, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Kaveri. The right answer is Krishna. Question number 19. Who was the last British Governor General in India? The options are Warren Hastings, John Shaw, Charles Cornwallis, Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari. The right answer is Chakravarti Raja Gopalachari. Question number 20. Who was the first British Viceroy in India? The options are Lord Curzon, Lord Wellington, Lord Linlithgow, Lord Wavell. The right answer is Lord Curzon. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon for all new notifications. Thank you.